Hi friends, so I'm so excited. I received Anna's swap today. So if you checked out the previous video, you know that we did a swap. So that's Anna from Cottage Roses Papery, and we swapped Artisan Bloom journals. So I received hers today. I'm super excited. I have to make this really quick. So yes, I wanted to dig in, but I just peeked in the bag and I was like, okay, no, I have to record this. So let's just dive into it. Oh my goodness. I just peeked and I saw this part and I was like, ugh, I was going nuts already. She put all of this confetti. So pretty. Okay. I love this packaging. Watch me get it everywhere. Okay. This envelope is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this envelope. Okay, and then I think this is the journal. I don't have my scissors up here with me. Okay, I need to try to do this. Oh no. I'm destroying the poor baggie. So sorry if I'm shaking, and I'm very sorry about the noise. I'm trying to be quick. So sorry about the noise, friends. Oh, goodness. Ooh, you're gonna hear me squeal and all of the things. I cannot. Okay. Let's do the journal first, because I have been anxiously waiting. Oh my goodness, Anna, it is so much more even beautiful. I mean, I watched the flip through 300 times, but it's something else like when you see something in person. Look at all of these details. Oh my goodness, this is so stunning, friend. And the colors cannot be any more perfect. So I mean, if you follow along my crafty stuff, you know that I am a shabby chic gal all the way. And so this is so me. And then the colors, the pinks and the blues. Oh, it is so me. I love this already and I haven't even gone into it. This is so beautiful, Anna. And you're gonna hear me like oohs and ahs the whole way through. Sorry in advance. Oh my goodness. Look at this trim. This is so beautiful. I cannot. All right, so I could give you guys a whole long story about my journey with the Artisan Bloom stuff, but I may spare you guys. But it was literally like a dream of mine to own an Artisan Bloom journal. Then I set myself on the journey to create one. Took me forever to finally create one after I took the course. And if you would have told me then, when I was wanting a journal so bad, that I not only would create one, but that somebody would create one for me, I mean, I wouldn't even believe you. This is so special. I'm gonna cherish this forever. Look at how beautiful. These are her washies. I just love your style, friend. This is beautiful. I love this fabric. So pretty. And one thing I noticed in the flip through was like all the little girl images. So I have a little girl. We're both girl moms. And so it's really special. I love that. I love it so much. I can't, friend. This is so beautiful. So incredibly beautiful. I'm gonna start working on this right away. Seriously. So I have this embossing folder, but I feel like this is this like a smaller version of it? I need that size. The size I have is like really big. Look at how beautiful. I have to go through this really quickly because you guys know I have a toddler. Oh my goodness, like I'm working in my pink and white journal right now, but I think I'm gonna switch and start working in this one. Or use this one for, you know, maybe this is gonna be like a daily journaling thing. I don't know. And then guys, she did hand beading on this. Like what? Incredible. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful detail, Anna. And then these little frames I'm in love with. I've been wanting to get that punch for like forever. And then I never do. Look at the little girl. And then she put like some little punchies in there. Oh, you punched out my name, friend. Thank you so much. Aw. Oh, this is so perfect. I'm trying not to make all the crunchy noises on camera, but I can't help it. Oh my goodness. Thank you. I love these. I love the shabbiness of it. It's just so perfect. It's so, so perfect. And then look at this lace. Check out that lace. I'm probably not even in frame because I'm all over the place. And my baby's down there singing. I have her occupied on her chair right now, so hopefully she'll let me continue here. I'm in love with this journal so much. I was in love with it when I just saw the little sneak peek of it, and then I saw the flip through 300 times and was in love with it then, and now that I have it in person, even more. Let's just pull out. Or does this open at the top? Ah. Look at how beautiful. So these are her digitals. Look how stunning. So stunning. And I love this vellum. And then this magazine page. I need some pretty magazines. How beautiful. I always see her use this trim. I love this trim. So glad you put it in there. So beautiful, friend. So, so beautiful. I'm like repeating myself over and over, but I cannot. It's just, I feel so honored. I love this stencil. I have one of hers too. So beautiful. So simple yet so beautiful. I cannot. This is incredible. I'm gonna keep saying it. It's incredible. I can't believe this is mine. Anytime you want to do a swap, friend, let's go for it. Just give me like a month to work on mine. It's so challenging. Like when you have a toddler and you're trying to craft, like it's hard. But look at this little girl. Like makes me think of my baby. And she has dark curly hair though, but still. I love all of the flip outs, all of the vintage pages. Look at how pretty. So simple yet so pretty. I'm going to make a little journal out of that. Look at that. See, her page is an actual fabric. I have to work on that. Like, I haven't done a fabric flip. I've done it like more like a page. So pretty. Yay. Oh, I love that die cut. So pretty. How many times have I said that already? I don't know. I don't know. My baby girl's doing so good downstairs. She's like, let mama have her moments. I must have flowers always and always. Yes. Look at the fabric sample page. Like, ugh. And look at these fabrics. Love it, friend. And she has all of these digitals in her shop, by the way. This is so pretty. So, so, so pretty. Look at the gold accents. Piano paper. I love this so much. Oh, I love these gold frames. Thank you for including it. I'm probably going to put it right there with a picture of my baby. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Like, cannot say it enough. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Anna. Oh, I can't. Friends, I'm going to leave all of her information down below. She makes journals way faster than me. And, well, this, I cannot tell you that she makes this fast because this is, these take time. And they're a lot of work. But, she, you know, she does do her custom orders and she has a lot of beautiful printables in her shop, washi tapes. I mean, so I'm going to leave everything linked below if you're interested in that. Okay, now I'm going to open up the folder here. Look at this. I can't. This is so pretty. Like, even though I have 1,000 digitals, I need more because they're so gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay, I'll read that aside. Thank you so much, friend. Oh my goodness. You didn't have to do that. So this is real French lace. And she does have this in her shop, guys. Well, I don't know if she has these particular ones, but I know that she has some lace in her shop. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, friend. Oh, this will definitely be put to great use. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gorgeous. I mean, just the fact that you even included it on the physical journal itself. These are actually from France, guys. Oh my goodness, Anna. Absolutely stunning. I'm definitely going to be using that right away in the projects. Thank you. I'm like speechless. Yes, I'm blessed and thankful for sure. Flowers bloom. I love this so much. This is so special. I love the die cuts. Oh, I can't wait to start playing in my journal. Cannot wait. And my baby's still singing downstairs. Oh, yay. So cute. Yay! I'm gonna be putting some buttons on there. I love these digitals. Oh my goodness, and I love the grunginess of this. So she said these are from a vintage photo album. How cool is that? That is so cool. I kept my sister's like quinceañera album, and it has like also like the dried glue, but this one looks like super old. I love it. Oh yay! Thank you, friends. This is so special. I don't even know if I'm like really recording. In your words of comfort, I hear God's voice. In your acts of kindness, I see his hand at work. I treasure your friendship as one of my greatest blessings. Oh, thank you so much, friend. This is so special. I cannot. Look at this. Oh, and I don't even have these embossing folders. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, the little girl. And then it's like music. That's our thing here. Oh my goodness. How many times did I say oh my goodness and all of that stuff? Wow. Thank you so much. I can't. I mean, I have like no words except for the same ones over and over and over. Some vintage tickets. Oh my goodness, friend. Like this is packed full. You know, I love these frames. Look at this. Look at the butterfly. I'm totally putting that in a frame, putting my baby's picture on there. The wings. So pretty. Oh, cannot. And the photo corners. Oh my goodness, thank you. Get the flowers. Banco Nacional de Mexico. Wow, this is real. Wow, thank you so much, friend. Oh my goodness, thank you. Wow. And this envelope is everything. I feel like turning this into a journal. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, friends, I hope I wasn't too annoying. I literally have no words. This is so incredible. Anna, I think thank you is not even enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And to think that you did all of this, you know, in, you know, what's the words? What's the words that I'm looking for? But in this stage in your life is not easy. And the fact that you did that, I mean, I can't thank you enough. And yeah, I have no words, like I'm speechless right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. Maybe I'll do a speed flip through at some point silently so that you don't hear my oohs and ahs and all of my repeated words, but I seriously have nothing else to say. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.